Let's talk about how we can use markup tools with Google Slides. One of the downfalls of Google Slides is that it doesn't have draw tools so that you can annotate a text or fill in a graphic organizer quickly. But there is something that we can do to make that happen, especially if you have a Logic Crayon or a Apple Pencil. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your drive and you're going to open up your file, but you're not going to open it up all the way where you're going to edit it. Instead, you're going to go to the three dots on the top, choose Share and Export, Send a Copy, and we're just going to choose PDF here. And sometimes it takes a while to process all the way through, but once it does, all you have to do is choose Markup. And then your markup tools will open and it has saved this as a PDF, and you can go through and you can add your own writing. You could annotate a text, you could do DOL, you could fill in a graphic organizer. There are so many different things that you could do just on the fly if you needed to. When you're finished with that, you could press done and just delete the PDF if you don't need it. But if you would like to save it, you could go to the share button at the top and choose to save this either to your Google Drive as a copy, to your OneDrive, or you could save it to your files, which would be in your iCloud. If you needed to be able to go back in and edit further, you would want to save it to files or to OneDrive. You would not want to save it to Google Drive, because as Google Drive, it's just a simple copy with your markup, but you can't go back in and edit that markup once it's done. So that's just something to consider, but this is a very quick way to go in and mark up a Google Slides document on the fly.